She refused.
Oh yes.
Not that. Is that why you? What did you use it for?
Ha, another one doesn't happen again, my people. My people, another one doesn't happen again. People, when God bless with children, they don't know the word, they don't know the value. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. Come out for now, my beautiful people, my get people. Another one, we they talk about pikin when Papa remove one of his hand. Yes, me, I they talk and say that Papa remove one of his hand. Another one just still come out for social media. Pikin when 5 years old pikin, if Papa just abuse her, like say, oh, just because of saying get. In the vet for the mama. He said because in the vet for the mama, now making use why I take beat your son. Ben na come. What did they happen? I don't know. I want to know. What did they really happen for that our country, Nigeria? What did they happen? I be people here, don't they? Like discuss quite not too much. Just because of saying you they vet for your own that is they vet for the mother of your baby. You they vet for your child, mama. You can't use the that is you can't use the pepper body to take beat your own son, your own blood. This man, I they talk. If I tell now say some people not don't why not? Just because of saying you they vet for the mother, you carry wire. My people, wait, how this news they come. I'll still drop now small short video. There at Naija Daughter TV. I bring this news come out for now, my beautiful people, my get people. Another one, we they talk about pikin when Papa remove one of his hand. Yes, me, I they talk and say that Papa remove one of his hand. Another one just still come out for social media. Pikin when 5 years old pikin, if Papa just abuse her, like say, oh, just because of saying get in the vet for the mama. He said because in the vet for the mama, now making use why I take beat your son. Ben na come. What did they happen? I don't know. I want to know. What did they really happen for that our country, Nigeria? What did they happen? I be people here, don't they? Like discuss quite not too much. Just because of saying you they vet for your own that is they vet for the mother of your baby. You they vet for your child, mama. You can't use the that is you can't use the pepper body to take beat your own son, your own blood. This man, I they talk. If I tell now say some people not don't why not? Just because of saying you they vet for the mother, you carry wire. My people, wait, how this news they come. I'll still drop now small short video. They asked the man, say, why you beat this pikin? He they rant. He said because he they vet for the pikin mama. He knows if he beats the pikin like that. Now, as you call they beat the pikin 5 years. 5 years. As you call they beat the pikin. I'm not carry that naughty. When not, you don't remove your head. If you see this my video, as you call they beat your own child, your own blood, 5 years old pikin, innocent pikin, when you don't know where you and your wife, where you and her mama, or where you and his mama for meat. Una just say baby, come, and the pikin come for now. At the end, what you na come they do and abuse, na come they abuse and they beat them. Now come they abuse the children. Children suffer day where they day. Now they use until they draw them. Baby, I need you. Baby, I need you. When the baby come, you start to the abuse them. You will talk, say, now because I vet for. If you got a vet for my mama, now the pikin do you something. Now the pikin do you something. You normal so. I don't believe say you normal. Maybe some not don't whine out. My people are gonna leave the video for now.
She refused.
Oh yes.
Not that. Is that why you? What did you use it for?
Like carry. He used wire.
Why
He's telling you wire.
He said it's not really what they are telling you. Also, them to the house more like this, and the boy will always like emphasize. I was seeing this. They know you to come outside. So that like they are no ones. Like government. So if they as I need to meet with myself personally, I'm not happy because this people don't really happen like this because. Then you carry this boy go to school.
See, sorry. Just for the purpose of this interview. And this one as that one. Just for the purpose of this one.
This one and their own people.
It's the people that rescued him, the neighbors. Wait, let me unlock it for you now. Even are you the biological father of this child?
Yes.
You are the biological father. You are the one that delivered him. Okay. What did you use to inflict all of this pain? All these things, all these marks, brought his face everywhere. What did you use?
His face, because of his face, and that one.
Who used to beat? What did you use to beat him?
It's my this thing that I need to carry my
It's your what?
charger.
Your charger wire that you use. How old is your son?
5 years.
He's 5 years old. You say you beat him because you were angry with his mother.
I was angry with the mother as because since they
The woman, I go still, you know, I go still go for the woman. Ask me why I go for the woman. The man say tell the woman make carry pikin. You see man when you say carry your pikin. Yes, I know say 12 na gather born am, but now you the woman, now you feel the pain pass. Now you go labor room. Now you throw away speed if you the type where they throw away speed. Now you sleepless night for that child. Now you carry belle, you make go. You go they look up. You know if you sleep face ground, if you be type where they use chest they sleep. Now you pass all those pain. Then you know say the man when you born pikin, you they run for your head. Then the man say carry your child. You not carry, you refuse to carry him. You can't put the pikin, you can't use am face wall. You can't dey the back. Some lady, now don't see what time more. Yes. Me una call me again, I go talk. They don't see what time. Some lady know what time at all. The man say tell you something you carry up. Why can't you carry your child? They always make this parable say, see if a snake there's draw. A bottle go they draw follow am. Why can't you draw your pikin follow yourself? If you not see this pikin back, I still not see him because I believe I use and do something. If YouTube not reduce my, reduce anything, I go put it on it. But if YouTube reduce I go seize the thumbnail, then I will just put normal random thumbnail because this our street it hurts. It hurts. Yes, if you know, it hurts. Okay, let's go to comment section. Let's see what people talk when I not laugh. If I dey read comment when I not laugh, but this thing pay me 5 years old pikin. Wait till do you? Wait till 5 years pikin do you? When you just abuse like that, just because of say as you talk, say you dey vet for the mother. That one it don't make sense at all. It don't make sense. Let's go. What is this? What kind of wickedness? Oh no, let people gather and no be me talk am. He said, "Me de na so as he just be this man, na so he be me. Man, I be woman. Ine, nene, abi. As he just be this man or this woman, na so he be me. To everybody to gather around, give am better, better hot eba. You know that hot eba. That time when they go school, that time, that hot eba. Is it the day of ogbolo, of egusi? Those two soup, They say make they cook hot eba, make they feed down with them. No, we meet talk am. Another one, they say people are taking out their frustration, yes, from their current hardship in the country on innocent kids who have nothing to do with it. Sad. Wow. Another one say he said now Buhari cause all this the frustration. Is too much. No be Buhari. Now Buhari they do your state. Now everything na Buhari. What do your government they do? Your governor. Me I not even send the Buhari because you know they talk. You just make big. But not everything they blame president for. Okay, for that one. They could do this because they never wait or ask of God before He give them. Yes, that is true. That in fact you that write this thing, I believe. You have seen. Yeah, that is, let me put it like that. I believe you are see. You look for the fruit of womb. It take you years before you conceive, or you are still looking for it now. If you are still waiting for it, God will bless your fruit of your womb. You will receive your own child. You will take your own child in your hand. He said now because they never asked for God for child. They never passed. They never use that junction. They never drink concoction. They just as they just did they me level. Then the pikin just say meow. Now make that they abuse children like that. No, me talk am. Now comment and talk am. Another one say people that have children don't appreciate what God did for me. I appreciate I serve a living God though. Even the devil no. Say na in the rain no. Me I appreciate him. If I don't appreciate him, now who I will appreciate? I appreciate. I do not even have the mind to beat my. This one say you not even get the mind to who beat her own dog. Talk of human being. My sister. Now wait till we talk am na comment section for talk am na comment section. Let me read it. No say I always put my comments, my everything when I read for here. He say God, I don't even have the man to beat my dog when he does something wrong. Dog say they do something wrong. No, now let me know in the comment section. I beg. Dog say animals say they do something. Problem not too much. Animals say they do something wrong. Not yet. Naija Daughter no see for YouTube street too. Naija Daughter. Thank you all my people. That is all.